Family, we must speak carefully today, not because the truth is weak, but because it is sharp. There is a difference between honoring our ancestors and copying their survival strategies. Our ancestors were intelligent. They were spiritual. They were not stupid. But they lived under guns, hunger, laws, and whips. They lived under conditions where belief was not always a choice. Sometimes it was a shield. So let us say this clearly. Some beliefs were adopted to survive domination. Survival does not automatically make something true. That is not an insult. That is honesty. Our ancestors carried two things forward to us: truth, trauma. Wisdom and wounds came in the same blanket. And maturity is learning to separate them. When a people are conquered, their gods are questioned, their names are changed, their languages are silenced, their spirituality is renamed pagan or evil. So, some ancestors learned to pray with their mouths while remembering something else in their bones. Others internalized the new God fully, because when you are beaten long enough, obedience can feel like faith. We must be honest enough to say, faith adopted under threat deserves re-examination. Not mockery, not hatred, but examination. Let me say this slowly. Honoring ancestors does not mean freezing their compromises into eternal law. They did what they had to do so that we could be here. And now that we are here, our responsibility is different. We do not betray our ancestors by asking questions. We betray them by refusing to finish the work. Because if they had the freedom we have today, many of them would have asked the same questions. They could not risk it. We can. So, when we speak of God, we must separate God from the system that used God. When we speak of belief, we must separate spirit from control. When we speak of tradition, we must remember tradition is a conversation, not a command. Family, hear this. We are not called to reject everything. We are not called to swallow everything. We are called to discern, to keep what is alive, to release what was survival only, to restore what was buried. That is not rebellion. That is inheritance done properly. So, today we say, we honor our ancestors by completing the work they could not finish, not by worshiping the conditions that imprisoned them. May we walk gently. May we walk truthfully. May we walk without fear. Because truth does not fear sunlight. Amen. We give thanks to the Most High. Ramasedi. A leboge Ramasedi. Thank you, son.